cloud. West of Arnett, Oklahoma. This storm is currently tornado warned.
That's a classic super cell right there. That's not high heat HB stuff.
Nope. It's nice to be able to see it right now.
I mean, this would be the perfect spot. It probably would drop right there.
He's coming down.
Oh, it's coming down, all right. Maybe. Let's try it.
Let's try it. Looking a little ragged at the moment.
Yeah, but it was looking fairly defined for a second.
I hope we stay out of the precip.
Oh, it's, look at it, look at it. There we go, it's more defined now.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, looking a little bit more laminar. Oh, there it is.
Look at that. Yeah, that's a tornado coming down right there.
Precip needs to stop.
A really rapidly spinning low cloud. Tried to produce some good B.
I got the old trusty video
It's
camera.
going up.
There.
Hey, look, I can go 100 times on this thing, so I guess you could probably go further than that.
I can go pretty far. I don't know how much this thing zooms. That's a big old plume there, isn't it? Oh man, come on, Rain, don't be doing that. Yeah, Rain, come on. Oh dude, look. Yeah, it looks, well the dust plume is, but look over here at the, it looks like it's kind of organizing a little bit.
We got a real tornado.
Got a tornado on the ground, folks. Condense fully to the ground. That's the question. It's getting closer. Yeah, this is so cool.
There we go. This is perfect position.
You see any ground contact? I saw it a little bit earlier.
Probably still on the ground. I see a little bit of
looks like it's lifting.
Yeah, it's lifting all right.
Roping out.
It's winding.
Yeah. Wonder what's going on over here on the right-hand side.
Oh wait, yeah. Look at the right-hand side too. Could be a. That's a really long.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that right side now.
It's like a sidewinder.
Oh yeah, the right side.
Oh, well, we got
There's
something over here.
Tornadoes.
We got 2 tornadoes maybe coming.
Yeah, look at the right side. We got dual tornadoes.
Oh look, it's going all the way down over there.
Yeah.
Okay, that one just lifted, so now we're on the right-hand side.
Yeah, okay. Oh my goodness. Whew. That's crazy. I didn't expect to see dual tornadoes today.
Let's see if this one can do it.
Oh, it's down.
Oh, it's going down all right.
It's on the ground.
Yep, I think you are Correct.
Absolutely.
It's definitely laminar enough.
Tiny, though.
Usually when you get a funnel like that 3/4 of the way to the ground, it's counted as a tornado. It's 'cause it's hard to see, you know, if it's actually making ground contact.
It's going over that tree. I need to get a better position.
Yeah, I may have to move to the right too. Actually, if I move to the left.
Two side by side.
Yeah, there.
Looks like a baby.
There's a screaming eagle.
Sticking around with a beautiful supercell.
A little too far away from my big camera to actually get something that's photo worthy. So we're doing video today. Yeah, there it is, folks. It's doing it. Actually, look at this structure here. This is a pretty cool view. There's your structure. There's your structure. And at the bottom is your tornado. That is impressive.
We just saw 2 tornadoes.
All that driving around Oklahoma finally paid off.
Got a tornado.
Yep. Yeah, that's pretty good, man. This is my second of the season.
Man, I don't have a
Third. Woo, lightning.
Can you not see it? We're on your camera.
Man. Arnett, Oklahoma. Just south. Might be funnel that's mega beauties here. Dude, that's gonna be big. Noah. It's gonna be big. No. Gonna do it. Whoa! Wow, this is just nuts. man. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at it just drilling that ground there. Where's Arnett compared to this? If Arnett, hopefully
let me check the
they're
radar
all
real
right.
quick.
Yeah. Wow. Man.
Wow, look at that, the tendrils. Look at those tendrils.
Look at that. My goodness.
Oh, it's going over Arnett right now, dude.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Man, I hope everybody's in their shelter.
No, I mean like, look at that.
Oh crap. It's going right into Arnett.
Yeah, debris!
Lots of debris.
It's hitting something. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's more debris getting kicked up. Goodness. Oh wow. It's hitting Arnett right now.